In Lesson 3.3, we learned how to solve equations that have a variable on both sides of the equal sign. Let's take a look at this first example to remind ourselves how to do that. When you're solving an equation that has a variable on both sides, what you need to do is get all the variables either to the left or right side of the equal sign and all the constants to the other side of the equal sign. So in this first example, I'm going to bring all of my variables over to the left side. So I'm going to subtract 10n, that's how we get rid of a positive 10n, from each side. Notice I'm combining like terms. Bring down my equal sign. 7n minus 10n is negative 3n. So if all my variables are on the left side, I need to move all my constants to the right side. To get rid of minus 5, I'm going to add 5, and then I have to do that same thing to the right side. 13 plus 5 is 18. So negative 3 times n equals 18. To finish this equation, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. And I'm left with n equals negative 6. In this next example, there's an extra step that we need to do. On the left side, I'm just going to bring down 14 minus 9x equals. But on the right side, I've got to distribute. I'm going to distribute the negative 8 to the 10 and to the x. And I end up with negative 80 minus 8x. Now I have an equation that has a variable on each side. Again, I need to bring all of the variables to one side, all the constants to the other. I'm going to bring all of the variables to the right side this time, and I'm going to do that by adding 9x on the left and adding 9x on the right. Bring down my equal sign. Negative 8x plus 9x gives me 1x. So I need to get all my constants to the left side. I need to get rid of minus 80 by adding 80. 80 plus 14 would be 94. 1 times x equals 94, so therefore x equals 94.